everyone, namaste. Welcome to my first ever vlog and hope you all are doing good. As I'm a fashion model, I was looking for a makeup, cosmetic for myself. As you all know that fashion models have to shoot every other day. Like I have to shoot every other day. So I wanted something for myself which is not heavy, which is not more into chemicals and more of a natural cosmetic brand. So somehow I came across this brand and it claims to be natural brand. So that's how I purchased and I just wanted to try it on and give my review about that brand. So let's try it. So today we are going to do this makeup look with Mama Earth's new cosmetic line. Let's go! So I'm just going to moisturize my face with this very light base moisturizer because my skin is little sensitive and bit towards dry skin type. So I prefer very light moisturizer. I don't like very heavy and sticky ones. And if my skin is feeling fine, then I prefer to skip the primer because I think that's just adding one more layer under my makeup. So I just feel like keeping it very light with moisturizer and then the makeup layering. So just like my skin, my lips are also a little bit dry. So this is the best lip balm you can have if you have a dry skin. Let's start with the foundation. This is a very cute glass bottle. It's a pump, so you have to deal with it. So my shade is O2 Cream Glow. So it's a glow serum foundation, like it says, it's a serum foundation. That's why it's very lightweight and it's a glow serum. So it's not at all close to any matte foundation. It gives you very good shine in your skin. It's very moisturizing to your skin. Also, it contains vitamin C and turmeric. So, vitamin C helps to brighten your skin tone and reduce dark spots, and turmeric provides you antioxidant protection to your skin. Like I said, it's very easy to blend this foundation because it's lightweight, and that is why it is not going to give you a full coverage. It's a close to medium coverage foundation. It's not a full coverage foundation. Of course, if you need some extra coverage, then you have to reapply this. I think 2 or 3 layers will give you something close to full coverage of foundation. Next up is concealer. This is also a glow concealer. So yeah, of course it's not going to give you a matte look. You have to, of course, powder it later on. But if you love dewy skin, dewy makeup, then this product is for you. Again, it's going to give you a medium coverage, not a full coverage concealer, but I think for a daily purpose, this is the best one you can have. Next up is this face tint. I use it for everything. This is from Lakme. I love the shade. I use it for my lip tint. I use it for my eyelids, blush, everything. This shade is so good. It goes with daytime makeup to nighttime makeup. It just blends in so well with my skin. Just see how beautiful it looks on my eyes. Just like that, I'm going to blend it in my cheeks. I just love this color. It blends in so well. So we are going to set our look with Glow Oil Control Compact. My shade in compact is 01 Ivory Glow. This contains SPF 30, so it's a good one to wear in daytime. It does not have any glitter or shimmer in it, so I'm not sure if it will look good in the evening. Next we are going to apply liner. So I like this liner, but I just don't like the brush length because I have been using a longer one earlier, and this one is a little flatter. I like it very thin. Though the color is so nice, it's very deep and dark color. It looks so good on your eyes. It does not smudge, so it's a good one. Next up is the mascara. I love the consistency. I don't like this size so much because it's very huge. The brush, I like it much smaller. I love the fact that it's not the waterproof mascara because waterproof mascara is not good for your lashes. It also contains vitamin E oil, which is very soothing for your lashes. I don't know if this is a weird thing, but I just do 3-4 strokes of my lashes and then I hop into my eyebrows, and I use the same brush for it because my eyebrows are so bushy. I don't just want to look like a Shinshan filling it more, so I just use the same one, and then I curl my lashes so that the mascara which I did sets in well, and then I just go 2-3 strokes more with the same mascara, and yeah, that's how I complete my eye look. I am using the same Lakme tint for my lips as well. I don't like to apply a very heavy lipstick or any gloss. I just use my lip balm and this tint and I'm good to go.